And with this, we want to also honor the student prize. And it's not necessarily because it's a paper that is only at the student level, but it's also because we want, it is an ongoing work that we want to encourage and delivering future research. The paper that we selected is Michael Timothy Bennett's work, Computational Dualism and Objective Superintelligence. Michael's contribution is a philosophical one, and I'm very glad that we have one that is, on one hand, formal and tight and rigorous enough to inform our work, and on the other hand, interesting enough to point us into new directions and spark a discussion. Personally, for me, this is a provocative paper because Michael is attacking something that he calls computational dualism, and that is the idea that software and hardware are should be seen as separate. And for us, it seems to be a very natural thing to do because the number of GPUs that we can have available does not depend on the local structure of space-time and the Neck entropy gradient, but on how much funding we have available and the legal structure of our labs and so on. And what happens in the GPU is in some sense isolated. And so we treat the computer as a causal isolator to the universe. But when we zoom out, then we see that in organism, this is not the case. That basic computation and making models, intelligence is tightly embedded in the universe. And when you look at our AI research as part of the development of intelligence of a species and of life on Earth, that's also true. And so when we zoom out, we basically realize that intelligence is a way in which structure is forming itself in the universe, and it depends on the way in which such systems are able to interact with the universe and enact themselves. And this also creates a way for us to think about upper bounds of intelligence in a given context, and this can at some point inform our thinking about the future of artificial intelligence and its place in the universe and AI risk. And with that, we would like to thank Michael and award him the Student Prize of the Open Cock Society. I would